Hey friends, if you wish to add or remove folders from the this PC folder on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar. Then go to HKey local machine software, Microsoft Windows current version explorer and folder options. Now under folder options we have a lot of entries and each entry denotes a folder. For example, this one is for the documents folder, this one is for the pictures folder and on. So why do we need to use the registry editor to delete and add these folders? I'll show you. Now here's the thing, all of these folders are a part of Windows and you cannot remove them by yourself just because you want to. I can delete this dump folder, I can delete this batch one folder, but I cannot delete the pictures folder or the music folder. So let's say that I'll pick one example. Let's say I wanted to delete the music folder. It starts with A0C69. I'll try to figure it out. I will have to check through all of these entries. It is a little bit of tedious. I can check the ones which start with an A. Okay, I didn't find an A. We are still at numbers. Okay, it's A0C69. After numbers we go with A0C69. So this one is the music folder. Now if I right click on it and select delete, it will delete the music folder from my system, and if I wish to add it, then I will simply have to pick this, copy it, and then go to the previous key, the folder description one, right click new key and then give it this name. Okay, now I cannot make it because it already exists, but you have to create a key with this name. So this will recreate the music folder. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.